welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I am showing off a living dead doll. Now, as you guys know, I adore horror. I literally, like, my room is just beauty and horror items. Like, there's just horror items scattered, like, literally everywhere. But I adore horror movies. And in light of Shane Dawson following me, I know, my whole life, just honestly, I cannot believe he knows who I am. In light of Shane Dawson not following me, I got the Scream Living Dead doll. Now, I have been sleeping on this for a while. I have been wanting to get this, but I've been like, oh, should I, shouldn't I? Because they are $100. I have been wanting to get it because they are $100, but it's Shane's favorite movie, and I was like, it's a sign. It's a sign I need to get it. So here is me panic buying. This is my lockdown purchase. But yeah, I am obsessed. I think it's really cute. As you can see, $99.99. In New Zealand, pricing is very expensive for things, but I got this from Pop Stop. I'm excited to see. I did actually think it was bigger. It did say that it was, I think it said it was 11 inches, but maybe it's only 8 inches because my Chucky and Tiffany dolls are 15 inches. So I was like, oh, well, it's not that much in size, but literally it's like the tiniest version of that. But yeah, so this is the back of the box here. So it says Living Dead Dolls presents Ghostface, the icon of Halloween, which he is, really, he is. If you guys don't know, aren't familiar with the Scream movies, then do you even know horror? Like, just saying, Wes Craven, come on. But anyway, this is part of the Mesco Toys, the toy collecting things. I'm going to take this out of the box as well, so everyone's going to come for me for running the box, but okay, well, I'll half run it. I'm like trying to see if my mini, like, Jason Hacksaw can actually cut this. Imagine that. Oh my god, it did. Ah! Iconic. I love that. Okay, sweet. Thanks, Jason. All right, let's open it up and see if it was worth the $100. All right, let's open it up. I've never had one of the Living Dead dolls before because they are significantly smaller. Oh my god. So this is literally it. It reminds me of a giant Easter egg, you know, in the packaging that you get out, like those big Easter eggs. All right, let's pull it out. I'm really excited to see. Oh, he's got a little knife, which is actually fucking sharp. What the hell? So the iconic knife, can't go wrong. It's actually sharp. That's crazy. All right, and then we've got the little doll here. All right, let's pull him out. It's got a little sleeker bag. Don't eat that. Okay, vibes. Don't eat that. All right, this is the doll here. This is like, it's a bit smaller than what I was expecting, but you know, oh my god, it's actually like a doll. I don't know what I was expecting, but like, you know, she's thick. She's thick. Look at her. Okay. All right, so this is what he looks like. Okay. Maybe I wasn't educated on what Living Dead dolls were. This is like a baby doll. Look at the arms and the chubby little fingers. This is like a baby. All right, am I going to take, like, can you take the mask off and is it going to be a baby face? Because I don't think I can do it. Okay, what is actually under here? All right, so I have to undress to see. Bitch, is this a fucking, this is like, she's a woman. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with it. All right, so Living Dead Dolls, Mesco Toys, 2004. She's old. All right, she's got a little booty, got lots of fingerprints on there. That's very concerning. I'm very weirded out that the body is like a doll's body. That's weird. There's literally, oh, I like how it's got the little, you know, it's got more messages. I'm like, what more is written on there? This literally like just looks like me at Halloween. Just like, yeah, it's like here, apart from she needs to be a little bit more thicker. All right, so she's got little pants on there. See what else you can take off the boots apparently, because there's a big split up the back. Now these boots feel like not the best quality. Like, I don't want to break them. I think it's just, yeah, it's got little baby toes and everything. I'm very weirded out. The pants though, the hem on there, top notch. That is top quality. I really don't know what I was expecting because like the Chucky and Tiffany dolls, they are meant to be based off dolls. I mean, this is a Living Dead doll though, so I don't know what I was expecting, but I'm still just very weirded out. I want to take this whole thing off, like this whole contraption. I mean, does the head one come off? I don't know. All right, let's put your clothes back on, sweetie. I'm very, I'm very weirded out. I don't know what I was expecting. I've never had a Living Dead doll before, so I didn't know what I was expecting. It literally is like a kid's doll. I'm real confused. All right, so okay, I was not ready for that. Like, that just caught me a wee bit off guard. Like, okay, pull the little plastic off. Her head's very freaking dirty. Like, I don't know what the dealio is there, but yeah, she's got little marks, but that's fine. It's all right. We see her there. That's fine. This is what it looks like. This is freaking terrifying. I don't know what else to say. This looks like freaking, it looks like Voldemort from Harry Potter. This literally looks like Harry Potter Voldemort, like, come on, Harry. Come on, Harry. The Philosopher's Stone. Yeah. Like, literally, hang on. I'm like, can you turn the head right around? Hang on. That's freaking Voldemort. That's Voldemort. Like, come on. That's literally what, like, that's demons right there. That's full demons, like Dementors. Like, I'm so confused. I was not expecting that at all. I wasn't expecting it to be a doll. I don't know, because you guys know that wait, how does this even go? Does the knife do? Excuse me. Open your fist, lady. All right, sweet. Holds the knife. That's all sweet. I'm just real confused by the fact that it's like a baby's body. That's what gets me. It's just like a baby's body. Yeah, I don't know what I was expecting. It looks cute. Like, it definitely looks like Ghostface. Cannot go wrong with that. I can't really get over the fingers having nails. There is nails on the hands, which, you know, Ghostface is wearing gloves. So I think that's a bit odd. Like, it would have been cute if they put little gloves on there or just didn't have the fingernails on there, just because it does seem a bit, like, scary and not, I guess, as authentic. But it's definitely, like, a little baby body that I feel like I can never unsee. But the actual manufacturing of it, it's not manufactured that bad. Like, it's bad that it's got all the ink stains on the little Voldemort head. It almost looks like Vivid or something like that. I'm not really sure. And the shoes, I mean, they're all right quality, but not, like, super great quality. But yeah, that is the living doll figure there. I mean, it's iconic. I do love it. I think it's very, very cute. It's very, very adorable. It's cute, something I've wanted for a long time. Should I have waited to get the big one that was like $100 more? I don't know. Maybe someone else will get it for me for my birthday or Christmas. I don't know. One can only wish. But this is the Living Dead doll here. I think it is really cute. I like how it stands. You know, maybe she's going to become a wee staple here, hanging out here. I don't know, but she's very cute. It's cute. Love it. You know, she's got that little dump truck booty, like, and the little arms, like, you know, she's cute. I'm like, hang on. I'm just going to... I can't get over the fact that it looks like Voldemort, though. Like, that just kills me. Looks like Voldemort, and it has a baby body. So do with that information what you will. But yeah, that was my review of the Living Dead dolls. Please don't kill me, Ghostface. I'm very confused. But I still love you. So yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!